Hello friend, welcome back. In this video, I want to discuss about some of the syntax as a escape sequences. Better I show you with the live example, then everything will be more clear to you. Like right now, I remove everything. Okay, I remove everything. I want to pass some of the string value. Like here, I want to pass one of the string value as a hi Aryan. Okay, hi Aryan. It's but in our double quote, into this double quote area, I want to pass it as it's. Okay, that will be it's a nice course. Okay, it's a nice course. So this type of one of the string value. So that is our total string value. Okay friends, so now I want to publish our this string value. So that is our first job, and after that I want to add another line. I want to add another line as a how are you. Okay, how are you. So how can actually define this type of on the string? Like here, if you want to actually display this string, that will be actually get some of the error. I show you, like that is our let. I take one of the variable as a message, and into this message area, that is our total string. Okay, into the total string. So here we have to add this total string in our single quote, right? And here you can see I have also used that one of the single quote. So for the reasons, it should be get some of the error. Like I copy it. Okay, I simply copy total things. Okay, copy total things, and then in our single quote area, so that is our single quote. Here I want to publish our this string value. You can see it's now getting one of the error. They have one of the single quote, and also in our single quote area here we have to pass all that our string value. But this string, that is single quote, is part of our string value, right? So that is also one of the part of our string value. For the reasons in JavaScript, here if you want to escape it, then only you have to use it as a backslash. You can see when you use it as a backslash, then system understand that is not our this first single quote, that is one of the part of a string value. Okay, now you can see our error is totally gone. And after that, if you want to print it, now I want to console, into the console log, I want to print out this message. Okay, that is the message. I want to pass it. Now everything will be more clear. Click as a save all. Now go there, click as a refresh. Now you can see it's now successfully displayed as a hi Aryan. It's a nice. Okay, it's a nice course. So that is our total value. That means our total string value is visible. Okay friend, with the double quote also. I hope it's very clear. There is a double quote, and also there is a single quote. So when you use that as a single quote, only you have to use it as a backslash. And also they have the another line as a how are you. So I want to also print this how are you. So if you want to print this how are you, then after that, okay, after that I want to put another comma, and then there is a backslash, and after that backslash, then you have to add that as a n. Okay, after that n, if you pass your next letter as a how are you, then that will be load with our another line. If you now click as a save all, now go there, click as a refresh. Now you can see it is started with another line as a how are you. Okay, so that is another syntax with the slash, that is a backslash, and then the n. Great. And in your string value area here, if you want to pass one of the backslash, how can actually pass it? So if you pass one of the backslash, and now if you click as a save all, and now if you go click as a refresh, now you can see it's not display any backslash, only they have done the space. So here if you want to add another backslash, here you have to add that double backslash. Okay, when you use that as a double backslash, then your first backslash will be displayed. You can see it's not successfully displayed. And also there is another syntax. If you want to pass it some of the spaces in here, that means a tab space, then you can also use it. That will be as a backslash and then the T. Then before your first letter here, it will be get one of the tab space. Okay, now if you click as a save all, and now go there, before here it should be get some of the tab space. Now click as a refresh, you can see it's now perfectly get one of the tab space. Okay friend, I hope it's very much clear to you. So that is very much basic things, but it should be needed. Okay, because that is very simple one of the syntax, but in your when you're doing in your project, that is very much important. If you want to pass some of this type of the string value, then you have to manage it. That means you have to solve these issues with backslash. Okay, and also there is a new line as a backslash n. I hope everything is very clear to you. In our next video, I want to discuss about that string immutability. How can working with this? I will show you that things with the live example. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.